So what I'm going to talk today is about the type of marine and coastal ecosystems. Right. So far, what we discuss is actually the like coastal features and like physical features that you can see in the uh, coastal and marine environments. But as ecologists, what are we going to learn today is like what kind of ecosystems are there in the marine and coastal environment or associated, right? So if you go back to the ecology lesson, right, not marine ecology, just general ecology lesson, we divided the natural ecosystems into terrestrial and aquatic, right? You know all these terrestrial things, and the aquatic ecosystem can be lentic and lotic. Lentic are the like non-moving water bodies like lakes, ponds, and reservoirs. Uh, we don't have any lakes in Sri Lanka, but we have ponds and reservoirs. Mainly, we have the reservoirs. So they are the the lentic environment, and the others are the lotic environment. So the flowing water bodies, they that include the rivers, springs, or the smaller versions of rivers and the sea. Right? You see here. Oh, so we are here. Um, this this is one of the ecosystems as a sea as a single ecosystem. Right? So that's how we get to the our topic. See here. But the sea itself can be an ecosystem. Of course, it's going to be a huge ecosystem, but within the sea, there are many other different types of ecosystem that we can recognize within the sea or the ocean, right? So I have uh, listed some of these ecosystems, and this is not a complete list, and this is not also a very scientific classification, right? As you can understand, ecosystem can be even a very small area, can be an ecosystem, right? But a major ecosystem that we can recognize in the marine environment. So these are included here. That include the estuarine and lagoon ecosystems, right? Estuarine versus lagoon, right? So you know these things. What is the estuary? What's the lagoon? But as an ecosystem, what is this estuarine ecosystem and a lagoon, and what kind of animals and what kind of interactions there? That's what we're going to learn in this estuarine and lagoon ecosystem. Then the intertidal zone, right? That's the in between the low tide and high tide area, and also include a little bit of the back beach, that area. It's called intertidal zone. Then the open ocean, or the open ocean, or the uh, as we previously discussed, is the pelagic environment, right? The open ocean or the pelagic environment, and the ocean floor, the bottom, on the other terms, is the benthic environment, the benthic organisms or benthic habitat, benthic ecosystem. Uh, and other than that, the other type of ecosystem that you can recognize, they are the coral reefs, the mangroves, the seagrass beds or the seagrass meadows, the salt marshes, and sand dunes. These are some of the examples for marine and coastal ecosystem. Right? So, and really, actually, in the marine ecology, these are the type of ecosystems that we are going to learn. Right? We will go through these different types of ecosystems. Actually, your presentation titles also based on these kind of different ecosystems uh, that we are going to learn about that.